Welcome to the best picks. The best screen patch kit is probably one of the most useful repair tools for fixing cracked screens on your smartphones, tablets, or laptops. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about using a screen patch repair kit, from choosing the right kit for your device to applying the patch and ensuring a long-lasting repair. We will cover the process step by step, showing you how to prepare your screen, apply the patch correctly, and troubleshoot any issues you might encounter along the way. Number 5. by.RHO Window Screen Repair Tape. It's so easy to use, just cut, peel, and stick it on. You'll have your screens fixed in minutes, no tools needed. This tape is made with non-toxic materials, keeping your family safe and your home healthy. It's a worry-free solution for repairs. The strong 3-layer adhesive ensures it firmly adheres to various surfaces. It's built to last, even with daily use. It's perfect for windows, doors, tents, anywhere you need to repair a screen. It adapts to both indoor and outdoor use. It's made to withstand extreme weather conditions. Made in Korea, it offers exceptional quality and reliability you can trust. What we like. This tape is incredibly easy to apply, just peel and stick. Its strong adhesive ensures long-lasting repairs, even in harsh weather. If you need a quick, reliable fix for your screens and don't want to deal with complicated tools, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This tape is sticky enough to hold and serve its purpose. Great adhesive, super easy to use. It keeps bugs out. It sticks without heating with a dryer and covers well. Much better than using the pre-cut patches that are available. Number 4. Screenmend Window Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating screen tears. It's the quick and easy DIY solution for repairing window screens and more. With Screenmend, you can fix rips and tears in under a minute. Simply apply it using heat from a hairdryer. This versatile kit is perfect for repairing window screens, screen doors, tent mesh, and more. It's the ultimate solution for all your screen repair needs. It provides a strong, weatherproof repair that will last. Save time and money with this durable solution. Skip the store and the long search for replacement parts. Use Screenmend and get your weekend back. Each kit includes two 5 by 7 inch charcoal-colored patches. Everything you need for quick and easy repairs is right here. What we like. Repair your screens in under a minute with this patch kit. The patches are reusable and weatherproof, offering a long-term solution. If you value speed and efficiency when fixing your screens, this is the one for you. What people say. This product performs as advertised and is very easy to use. It makes repairing holes in screens very quick and easy. Just cut the size needed with extra all around for adherence, use a hair dryer on it and you are done. It couldn't be easier. These are extremely easy to apply. Just cut and apply heat with a hair dryer. They are perfect and seem to have a strong adhesion. This is a perfect quick fix until I replace the entire screen. The instructions are easy to follow. A hurricane through our area pushed a tree branch through the screen on our porch. These screen patches saved us from having to fight off the misquotes from entering or having to cover the hole with duct tape. Ugly solution. They are easy to cut and fit and seal to the existing screen in minutes with just a regular hair dryer on high. We used one patch inside of the screen on the biggest hole and then added a larger patch on the outside to be sure that it was covered securely. Several other smaller holes seem to do fine with just one patch on the inside. It's really hard to see them once they are in place. They have held up well through 2 more hurricanes so far this year. We have extra patches on hand in case this happens again. Number 3. by.RHO Screen Repair Patch Kit. Say goodbye to annoying tears and holes in your screens. This kit makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and money. You get 10 durable patches, each measuring 4 5/8 x 6 1/4. They're perfect for patching up windows, doors, tents, and more. It features an ultra-strong adhesive that bonds securely to any screen surface. No tools are needed for application. Just peel and stick. It's the easiest way to repair your damaged screens. Simply place it over the tear or hole. Stop replacing entire screens. This kit provides an instant solution, saving you money and the hassle of a complete replacement. It's resistant to high and low temperatures and suitable for various applications, from window screens to RV screens. The silver-gray color blends seamlessly. What we like. This kit comes with multiple patches, saving you money and time. They're super easy to apply and have a strong adhesive that holds up well. If you have several screens to repair or prefer a simple, no-fuss solution, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. These are a simple peel and stick patch, held firm in place once applied. I was able to trim the loose old screen once the patches were installed for a fairly clean look. They stick really well and seem to be holding up. Easy to install. Did the job. Number 2. Gaffer Power Adhesive Screen Tape. Is your window or screen door damaged? It's easy to fix with this strong adhesive tape. No more costly replacements. This tape is incredibly strong and durable. It adheres perfectly to various screens, holding up in any weather. It's not just for windows and doors. Use it on pool screens, RVs, tents, anywhere you need a quick, strong repair. Just cut the tape to size and apply it directly to the tear. Repairing your screen takes less than a minute. Instead of replacing your entire screen, quickly and easily repair it yourself. This tape saves you time and money. It's waterproof and withstands various temperatures. It's perfect for any environment, indoors or out. What we like. This tape is incredibly easy to apply and provides a strong, waterproof seal. It's perfect for quick repairs and will withstand various weather conditions. If you need a durable and simple solution for screen repair, this is the best option for you. What people say. Sturdy and easy to use. A real lifesaver so I don't have to replace my screen door. I like this product because it covered the slits in the mesh. Easy to use. Sticks on very well. This tape works well on torn screens. The tape sticks well and blends in perfectly with the screen. Number 1. GAUDER Window Screen Repair Kit. Worried about unwanted insects entering your home? This kit provides powerful protection, keeping those pesky bugs out. Repairing your window screens has never been easier. It's fast and simple, you'll be done in minutes. These durable fiberglass patches are translucent and UV resistant, ensuring a long-lasting repair that won't easily fade. Don't worry about the size. They're easily cut to fit any window or screen door. We're committed to your satisfaction. Our team is here to provide support and advice after your purchase. This kit includes everything you need for a complete and effective window screen repair. Enjoy peace of mind, knowing your home is protected. What we like. These patches are easy to apply and made from durable fiberglass. Plus, you can easily customize their size to fit your needs. If you need a versatile and long-lasting solution for your screen repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. The ease of installing this product can't be overstated. It took seconds to apply to the damaged part of the screen and it just sticks. No measure needed, for a cut hole up to 3 inches in size. Cut to size and fix the hole. We have had 2 hurricanes here since I installed and the patches are still on. Wow. Perfect size for the hole in the screen that had to be repaired. Adhesive stuck firmly on both sides of screen so 2 pieces could be used on either side. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.